Hi guys, so if you also struggle with damaged hair like I used to, then this video is for you. So अगर आप मेरा channel follow करते हो, you must be knowing that I struggled in the past few years with extreme damage to my hair due to heat styling, the general wear and tear. मेरे बाल बहुत ही ऐसे dry, brittle, rough, इतने split ends and breakage होते थे मेरे बालों में, मतलब बिल्कुल frizzy रहते थे and they used to be completely out of control. But guess what? I think I've cracked the code to keep my hair healthy and damage free with this routine. Finally, you can see the results already. So मैं बात कर रही हूँ L'Oreal Paris की Total Repair 5 की, which is packed with the power of Keratin Excess. The L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 consists of 3 key products: the Total Repair 5 Repairing Shampoo, Total Repair 5 Restoring Conditioner, and Total Repair 5 Smoothing and Repairing Serum. Now let's talk about the star of the show, which is Keratin Excess. So Keratin एक natural protein है जो हमारे बालों में पाया जाता है. ये एक सुपर हीरो इंग्रेडिएंट है जो आपके बालों को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाने में मदद करता है, fights frizz, adds shine, prevents split ends and reduces hair porosity. So it's our hair's protector against external factors and harsh weather condition. And guys, this is the secret ingredient to it girl hair. ये range specifically formulate की गई है to target the 5 signs of hair damage, जो कि है split ends, dehydration, brittle, stiff and straw-like hair. And इसका जो star ingredient है Keratin Excess, वो hair fiber में deeply penetrate करके उसको अंदर से strengthen और repair करने में मदद करता है.
And the keratin also seals in moisture and natural oils to restore hydration and shine. तो आपके बालों को फ्यूचर डैमेज से भी प्रोटेक्ट करता है, कीपिंग योर स्ट्रैंड सपल एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग.
Now let me take you through the products, कैसे उनको एक रूटीन में आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. So first is the repairing shampoo. As soon as I work this into my scalp, I can feel how gentle yet effective it is. ये मेरे बालों को बहुत अच्छे से क्लीन करने में मदद करता है without stripping moisture. उसी के साथ साथ ये paraben free है and revives damaged hair without weighing it down. Next comes the restoring conditioner, which is amazing for hydration. I like to leave this on for a few minutes before rinsing out. It replenishes moisture, making my hair so soft and manageable. And don't forget the Total Repair 5 Smoothing and Repairing Serum. This serum contains ceramide and UV filters. It instantly attaches itself to damaged areas, so एक protective shield बनाता है against further damage and split ends. Plus, it nourishes and smooths your hair, making it silky, smooth and frizz-free.
As you can see, the shampoo has a very lush, creamy texture that lathers beautifully. इसका एक बहुत ही अच्छा fruity fragrance है, which makes you so rejuvenated while you're in the shower. The conditioner is equally lush and creamy, and इसका aroma, it glides so smoothly through my hair. काफ़ी हद तक तो मेरे बाल तभी detangle हो जाते हैं. And the serum, oh my god, it's my favorite. बहुत ही lightweight, silky texture है. Spreads easily between my palms and absorbs quickly in my travel dried hair.
I've been using the Total Repair 5 range for the past
1 year now.
And the difference that it has made to my hair is mind-blowing. मेरे split ends पहले से कम हो गए हैं, my hair feels stronger and it looks healthy. Now along with incorporating this range, I have a few tips for you which I think have made a massive difference in how my hair looks. So after every wash, I apply this serum on my damp hair. So ये मेरे बालों को बहुत ही manageable and frizz-free रखने में मदद करता है throughout the day. Now if you use a lot of hot tools or straightener, curler, you got to protect your hair. एक heat protectant spray का please इस्तेमाल करना मत भूलना before you style your hair, because वो ना एक shield की तरह काम करता है उस heat styling tool and आपके hair shaft के बीच में. So आपके बालों की जो health है वो ज़्यादा दिनों तक बनी रहती है. Oh, and speaking of towels, I've made the switch of using microfiber towels instead of the regular ones. And trust me guys, this is a game changer. Microfiber towels are super gentle on the hair, which means they cause less breakage. उसी के साथ साथ they keep your hair feeling hydrated and soft. Last but not the least, when it's time to detangle, I always use a wide tooth comb. So it's been quite some time that I switched to a wooden comb and I've been loving the results. I really think the Total Repair 5 is going to be a staple in my hair care routine now. It's suitable for all hair types and the results speak for themselves. So if you suffer with damaged, lackluster hair, I cannot recommend this enough. I'm so glad I got to try it out and share my review with you all. इन प्रोडक्ट्स को खरीदने का लिंक मैं नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपके लिए ज़रूर डाल दूंगी. हाईली रेकमेंड दैट यू गो एंड चेक इट आउट. इनको ट्राई करो, रिजल्ट्स वापस आके मेरे साथ शेयर करना मत भूलना. Thank you so much for watching my today's video. I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.